this?
No, you can start the session.
Okay.
Come up.
This vision. So let's start this. So till yesterday we completed the introduction, means the introduction of what is exactly middleware is, what exactly SOA architecture means, where exactly your PI resides in the integration landscape, what is the importance of PI. Okay. Today we will start with the introduction, or like let me tell you, kind of not will directly jump onto HCI. We will be starting with like understanding what exactly on which platform your HCI is residing and what are the features. So those things we will understand today. So first thing first. So you guys must have heard of HANA Cloud Platform. Okay. So do you know what exactly HANA Cloud Platform is? Anybody? Hello.
No idea, Sinat.
So uh, you anybody has idea that what this platform as a service means? Uh, First of all, means if you ever heard of PaaS, SaaS, IaaS. Anyway, let me give a brief detail about it. Very important for you to know. So you would have heard of SaaS many a times. There are so many softwares which are based out of SaaS. So it would be software as a service. Software as a service is a software distribution model in which third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the internet. Okay, so it's just like any software you want, uh, which you don't want to install in your computer. You just want their
Sanat,
services.
your voice is very low for me.
Sorry, is it audible now?
Yeah, better.
Once. Yes. So software as a service. So SaaS uses the web to deliver applications that are managed by third-party vendors and whose interfaces is accessed on the client side. Okay. Most SaaS applications, generally most SaaS application can be run directly from web browser without any downloads or installation. But generally some plugins are required for some software. There are some plugins required. So we will see which plugins we want to install and what on install. Okay, this is SaaS. Then comes the PaaS, platform as a service, or means cloud platform service. Okay. Recently, the name of our HANA Cloud platform is changed to Cloud Platform. only. Okay, so cloud platform means platform as a service are used for applications and other development while providing cloud components to software. Okay, what developer gains with PaaS is a framework they can build upon to develop or customize applications. Okay, PaaS makes the development, testing, deployment of application very quick, very simple, and very cost effective. Okay. Um, there are two types of PaaS. One is general PaaS and one is enterprise PaaS. The one with our HANA Cloud platform, it's an enterprise PaaS. Okay. Enterprise PaaS can be delivered
Hello. Hello.
before understanding PaaS, we should know what is IaaS. It's an infrastructure as a service. Services means it's cloud infrastructure services. Means they provide accessing, monitoring, and managing remote data center infrastructure. Okay. It also gives means services as compute, storage, networking.
Sanat, I can't hear you.
Hello. Hey, Sanat, are you there?
Looks like he got disconnected. Probably we need to wait for some.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. Hey, which part
Uh,
did you miss? Which part did you miss? Till where you were able to listen to me? Hello, guys.
Yes, Sanad, from starting onwards, like first slide.
Sanat,
So
you
you,
started about PaaS.
guys, as you were able to hear.
You said SaaS is a software as a service, and PaaS, you were telling that it was a platform as a service where on which applications are installed. It's a remote kind of a platform provided by SAP.
Okay, okay, okay. So nothing about IAS, correct?
No, no, we lost you during PaaS itself.
Okay, okay. I was speaking for last 10 minutes then. Um,
Yeah, yeah, more than that.
I didn't get any notification that connection lost or something like that. Anyway, so PaaS, your platform as a service, is a cloud service. Generally means you can develop, test, and deploy your applications on your PaaS platform as a service. Your uh, IaaS means infrastructure as a service is us means it's a cloud infrastructure where you can means it's a self-service model for accessing, monitoring, and managing remote data center infrastructure such as compute, storage, networking, and networking services. Hello, hello,
Yes,
Yeah,
Sanad.
yeah.
Yes, Sanad,
Just
we are able
someone
to hear you.
please, yeah, just someone keep their mic on so that I will get some noise from behind. Only one person. Else I won't be able to know. Anyway, so instead of having to purchase the hardware right upfront, customers can directly um, buy a storage processor and your memory, CPU over internet, um, just in case without having to maintain that or upgrade that the storage, that is all taken care by the provider. So for all these three, let's take an example. For software as a service, you must have taken a general example of your Netflix, or let's say your Tata Sky, where you are just paying for the services from this company. Okay, and you pay only that much which you want to consume. Okay, so that is your software as a service. You will be able to view only those channels which you are being subscribed for. Okay, so that is kind of software as a service. Platform as a service. Platform as a service. This platform now it's kind of developing for many companies. As of now, you can think of it as your um, HANA Cloud platform where you can develop your own scenarios, your own applications using the already existing uh, tools. Let's go further in the HANA Cloud platform. For infrastructure as a service, there are multiple um, providers for infrastructure service in the market. If you have heard of Microsoft Azure or the Amazon Web Services. So these are the infrastructure as a service. Amazon Web Services comes into both. It comes into category of platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. Okay. Uh, in your means you have your own infrastructure as a service of SAP also called HANA enterprise cloud, okay, on which you can install the predefined softwares directly, which would be, let's say, SAP TM, SAP EWM. This portions can directly be installed over this the infrastructure or the storage place, and those are taken care, the infrastructure are taken care by your SAP itself or Azure itself or Amazon company itself. Okay. So this is where your means this is the main portion of your means in the market as of now. Okay. So let's come back to our HANA Cloud platform. Okay. So HANA Cloud platform or the recent name is Cloud Platform. They have removed the HANA word from this cloud. That is the same case for our HCI also. Now HCI has been rebranded multiple times in the matter of 2 years. Let me give you the detail in later classes, in the later of the session. So first of all, cloud platform. So it's an enterprise cloud. Okay, your PaaS is your cloud platform is an enterprise PaaS with comprehensive application development services and capabilities. Okay, it enables customer to achieve business agility, create integration, and optimize enterprise, accelerate digital transformation across the business. Okay, so using your cloud platform, you can create your own applications, your own application with the help of tool provided on your cloud platform. Okay, it is based on in-memory platform with open standards. So guys, if you have some of you are from HANA background, one of them. So HANA is kind of an in-memory database. So this cloud at the server level also has HANA database and its background. So it is again an in-memory platform, but it's not directly usable by us in memory concept. It is only that your cloud platform is based out of it, and we won't be able to leverage the leverage the functionality of in memory on the cloud. Okay, so for us it's just a simple database. For us means we won't be able to leverage the in-memory concept or the HANA database concept in creating our applications or all those things. It won't be allowed for us. Okay. Uh, it and I also said the word called open standard. So open standard something, it allows you to create your application on Java, HANA extension, HTML5, UI5. So this all open standards are available directly on HANA Cloud Platform, where you can create your applications, deploy them, manage them. We'll see those things in a bit.
Sanat,
Okay. Yes, sir.
Sanat, are you sharing something on the screen? Because we are only
As of now,
seeing
nothing.
page number 3.
Yes, we are still
Okay.
on the page number 3. Okay, we will move on to. It provides access to feature-rich, easy-to development environment in cloud. Okay, your HANA Cloud platform. So what we can do, we can directly jump on to like this. That is not hyperlink. Mistake. Just go to this website. I guess this PPT is already shared with you yesterday by Bharat. So just go to this link. and you will find the real what exactly your HANA Cloud platform is, uh, what all features are there. Okay. And you can see the name is already changed. It's changed to Cloud Platform. Okay. Uh, it enables customer and partner to rapidly build and deploy, deploy and manage cloud-based enterprise applications that complement, extend your SAP and non-SAP solutions. So first of all, let me show you. These are the open standards which are provided on HANA Cloud platform or on your cloud platform. You have Java, uh, JavaScript or Java runtime. Okay, you have the HANA extended services or XSJS of HANA or HTML5 and UI5 application. You can directly create on your cloud and you can deploy it. Okay. So what is the main feature? Why should a customer should go with for the PaaS? PaaS is directly operated by SAP, means your this cloud service, cloud platform. It is taken care by SAP, so customers are free from any infrastructure and IT cost and offer high service availability, scalability. Okay, so this two three things that is all taken care by SAP. So we don't need to we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so and you can create your own mobile applications, Java applications, connectivity applications on your HANA Cloud platform or cloud platform. Okay. Now coming back to this, there are the three major scenarios which you can achieve on your HANA Cloud platform or your cloud platform. You can develop new cloud applications from scratch. Okay, so this is one. You can create your new cloud application from scratch and you can use it. It can be, it can use your on-premises data or it can use its own data. Everything can be done on this new cloud application. Means it can take data from the uh, SAP application, non-SAP application, anything. Okay. Second scenario would be developing on-premises extension. So what are on-premises extension? Let's say you have a sales order on-premises. Okay, means you want to create an application which provides an authorization for the um, customer to approve sales order. Okay, just an simple scenario. It is already provided with the Fury application, but I'm just giving an example. So you can create an extension of your on-premises system. You can view those sales order directly on your mobile application or cloud, your web application. Okay. So you can create those, or you can create the cloud extension. So what are cloud extension? Cloud extension nothing but you have the standard SAP cloud. Let's say your success factor or your C4C, or let's say Ariba. So this cloud, if you want to add some extra features to this cloud, or if you want to customize this cloud, or you want to add some new features to this cloud, so you can create those extension in the HANA Cloud platform and you can deploy it directly on those cloud. Okay. So these are the three major scenarios where your HANA Cloud platform would come into picture. Okay. These are the popular services or features of your HANA Cloud platform. So first of all, you have the mobile application, mobile services. Uh, it provides key capabilities such as multiple authentication method, secure access to on-premises and cloud-based system. Okay, so you can create application, hybrid mobile application which runs on on-premises and cloud-based application. Okay, you have the integration which we will be understanding in thoroughly. Okay, your HANA Cloud integration. Okay, then you have IoTs. If you guys have ever heard of IoTs, then it's a major thing which is coming into market. It would be everywhere in the market down the line 3 to 5 years. Okay. IoT, it's an Internet of Things. It allows you to go from sensors to business outcomes. If you guys have not heard of IoT, just Google it today itself. It would be a topic of the future. Okay. Many companies have already started working on it. We have started creating POCs on it, and companies are now would be taking this as uh, the next future of your ERP. Okay, it could be smart connected business kind of. uh, Smart connected as in it is the network of physical objects that contains embedded technologies to communicate and sense or interact with the external state or external environment. Okay, so that would be IoT. If you haven't heard of it, just Google it today and learn about it. IoT would be a hot cake down the line. Okay. Then you have analytics. Okay, analytics means if you have database, it allows you to identify, combine, and manage multiple source of data. When I say data, it's data means database, and build advanced model with your business applications for personal uh, contextual real-time applications where you can view the reports, real-time reports, and real-time analysis done on those database. So if you have ever heard of data science, as it is the data science, so it's not directly data science where you will be taking the data from multiple source database and analyzing it and getting the reports. But for that, SAP has also provided one more module called SAP PAL, Predictive Analytical Language. It is again a layer above your SAP HANA, which can predict based out of the schema or the trends which are being followed in the market. You can predict which solution might work in the future, or it helps you to take business decisions quickly. Okay, so it is called analytics or predictive analytical language. So your cloud also, your HANA cloud platform also supports this. Okay, let's go to pricing and packaging of this. Okay, so just go to this link cloudplatform.sap.com/pricing.html. Okay, so here you will find different packages which you can use or which you can subscribe for. Okay, I'm still talking about HANA Cloud Platform. We have not still jumped onto HANA Cloud Integration. HANA Cloud Integration, we will go into it slowly just after this. But if you are an HANA Cloud Integration consultant, you should be aware that on which platform it is based out of it and what exactly that platform is. So I'm just giving a background about everything. I won't be missing out those things. Okay. It's not that we will be just only looking into HANA Cloud Integration. Okay. So HANA Cloud Platform, this is the pricing and packaging of HANA Cloud Platform. Okay. You can see different packages for developer, for medium business, for enterprises. Okay, you have a a rate for them everywhere. Okay. So for developer edition, for starter edition, um, uh, single application edition, you will see rates per month, okay, per user. For the single application edition per month, per user you have 39 euros. App services application edition you have 4,000 euros per month. Sorry. And if you are going for an app services premium edition, means which contain for the full ERP experience, then you have 15,000 euros per month. If you want to get more detail, just click on this link, click here for detailed description. And it is common for all, you can click anywhere. Okay. Anywhere, okay. So you will be taken to this PDF. This PDF has some one table on the page. Which page is this? Page third. So on this page, this details called starter package, medium business package, and enterprise package. So here you will find the rates, what exactly the rates are, developer trial edition. So yesterday I told you if you want to get the trial edition, you need to have the, you need to be SAP implementation partner or gold partner for that. Your education partner won't work to provide you the access of HANA Cloud platform. And also in your HANA Cloud platform, you will get the developer trial, but you won't get the HCI or integration services in that. So you see your cloud platform process integration, cloud platform integration, and your cloud platform OData provision. These things are not available in your developer trial. Okay, your integration and your OData provision, these are means your integration. It is available directly in the package called medium business package in SAP with SAP Cloud Application Multiple Application Edition, which is 118 euros per user per month. So this is the starting and minimum uh, money required to buy to use your HCI, okay, to subscribe for HCI, okay, and with this major one, the enterprise package, okay, where you have customer application, professional edition, you have these services also, and also you have the OData provisioning. OData provisioning, that is not the OData adapter. It is different from OData adapter. It provides you the it provides you to create your any database to an OData offering. Okay, so how do we do that? We will see. Okay, there is again you have how much bandwidth do you want? Means how much space do you want in your HANA Cloud platform? You have 10 GB per month. Bandwidth 10 GB per month, 10 GB per month. Okay, in this the costlier package, it's 512 GB, 1 TB. So that is one thing. Um, there are so many features which would be based out of which you can select your package. One second. It's here it's written support. So support is community support, means your SAP community support. And from this version, it is SAP themselves who will be supporting you if any issue comes. Okay. Also, you can size your package based out of what RAM, what core, what disk space do you want. So let's say for this one, you can get 8 cores. Okay, 8 cores is your CPU cores. Okay. Your how fast your processing would be done, how much RAM is available. Okay, so for 8 cores it's 32 GB of RAM is available. For 12 cores it is 64 and so on and so forth. You have 80 cores. So if you have subscribed for the 80 cores of your HANA Cloud platform, your data processing would be fastest. Okay, and you won't be getting issue with the storage as the storage your storage is complete or something like that. So, but it would be purely the requirement of cloud. Are they willing to pay for this much? Are they willing to pay 78,000 euros for a month, for a year, for this hardware licensing of HANA? And you must be aware that HANA database, those are very costly. So you can go to this PDF and you can find out what would the pricing. You can which SAP is offering for HANA Cloud platform. Okay, so this was about your HANA Cloud platform. Okay, so the major thing which we will be covering, which is your in between your this red box, is your HANA Cloud integration or cloud integration. Okay, uh, your cloud integration is your means, web-based integration platform hosted by SAP, okay, on cloud platform. Okay. Uh, First of all, your this HANA Cloud integration, the primary name, it has been rebranded multiple times in the matter of 2 years. The software name has been changed. Hello? Hey, anybody there or I'm just speaking
Yeah. No,
to
we are
my
there.
so HANA Cloud integration has been rebranded multiple times. Okay. The first name was HANA Cloud integration. Then it was called cloud integration services, not cloud integration. It was integration services, HANA Cloud platform integration services, and now the HANA is removed from the picture and it is called cloud platform integration. Okay. So it has been rebranded just to make the software popular in the market. It's in its SAP strategy generally to that with each new development or each new version, it tries to capture the minds of customers. It's same thing like your ERP, ECC, R3, ECC, your PI, PO, XI. So it's kind of rebranding of the same software. Okay. Your HCI, it is cloud-based integration platform hosted on, one second. Just a second.
Okay.
Okay. So hosted on cloud. Since HCI is offered as a service, the on-demand solution provides highest level of security features such as content encryption, signing, certificate-based authentication, encrypted data storage, data isolation at runtime, as well as data persistence. Okay, so this is kind of your HANA Cloud integration. Um, it, it it allows you to integrate cloud application as well as your on-premises solution. Okay. Um, HCI is making cloud integration simple and reliable. Okay, here it is SAP Strategic Integration Platform for SAP Cloud's customers. It provides out-of-the-box box connectivity across cloud and on-premises. Okay. It also, as means, it gives two interfaces. One is your UI, web UI based interface, and Eclipse UI based interface to create, manage, and deploy your message artifacts in your HCL. When I say artifacts, this is a word in the cloud universe. Okay, in on-premise universe, we use the word as objects. So if let's say I say any object I have created on PI, so that would be our artifact in your cloud. Okay, so you will be listening to this word very frequently in our curriculum. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
Karthik, and you told web-based user interface as well as Eclipse-based user interface.
Sir.
Just now you told that web-based UI as well as Eclipse-based UI.
Correct, correct.
Hello.
So, yeah,
So, I
yes. So,
mean, so which one we can use? Both we have go for in integration part, or Eclipse-based generally we can use that one, or
no, 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 no. We have both. We have the capability to use both. SAP has given us the option to use any of it. Okay.
okay, okay. Oh,
Generally, generally, for my personal choice is Eclipse, but
okay.
it's matter of choice. Means if you have faster internet and good connectivity, you can go with the web-based UI also. Both have
Okay.
their pros and both have their cons. We will understand those in later classes. Okay.
So can you show us how the look and feel of web UI is? Is it similar to what we see in SAP PO?
No, I would say it's nothing like PO. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Again, I would say SAP PI is PO is an SAP software, but this PO and HCI are altogether different. Okay. HCI is created ground up on Apache Camel. If you have ever heard of Apache Camel platform, search on Apache. It's a platform, and it's an integration platform itself. It's Apache Camel. It's a language on which many integration tools are based out of it. Okay, and this platform is created for that only. Okay, so it's a versatile open source integration framework based on a known uh, enterprise integration pattern. Camel empowers you to define routing and meditation rules in a variety of domain-specific language, including Java-based and Fluent API. So you just understand that this is a framework on which your many integration softwares are created. It has inbuilt, predefined or inbuilt functionality to route message, convert message, and means send message to some receivers. So all those functionalities are inbuilt in this Apache camel. Whereas in your SAP PI that is created on your Java, it is not on any framework. That is also created from bottom up. Okay, it is not taken the architecture from any other software. But Apache Camel, it is an open source. So if in future, if you want to create your own adapters, you can directly create on Apache Camel and deploy that to your HCI. And there are so many added features or so many things which are already available in Apache Camel, which you don't need to. So there is a strong or big market or community of Apache Camel, which helps you to create or use the existing scenarios. So let's say there are some adapters which are already provided on the Apache kernel, which you can directly import and you can use them in your HCI. We will see those things in later classes. Okay.
So it is
Let's talk about,
just like
yes,
downloading app on your cell phone.
kind of. Not directly because it requires customization and you need to be aware of what those customizations are as it won't work. It's not very plug and play directly for the customization things, else it would be uh, simple task. But yes, it is an open source, so you can create your own and you can deploy that to the HCI. And that is very advanced and pro thing, which I guess as of now we don't require to customize and create your adapters. I would say it is again not the task of HANA Cloud Integration Consultant. HANA Cloud Integration Consultant task is very different from creation of adapters on Apache. This least required. Anyway, so
One small question. So
yes, yes, sir.
you said uh, support is provided by SAP once the
Yes.
implementation is done. So what do you mean by
No, no, no,
support?
no. If you are thinking of support in HANA Cloud Platform, when I was saying support, HANA Cloud Platform, it is the support of full platform. Means if the platform is up or running or not, if their services are up or running or not. It's not that if I have created some application on HANA Cloud Platform, and if it's that application is not working, then SAP won't support. It is your customized or your created application. It SAP won't support for that.
Okay. And we have certificates that need to be installed for any secure data transfer or message
Yes.
transfer. So
Yes.
do we as HCI consultants need to install the certificates, or
Yes, sir.
they're
If
already present and we have to just select them?
no, 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 no. We have to install them. Let's say if you have one A sender whose certificates we need to install in our HCI. So it's
Right.
not kind of installing, it's kind of importing.
Right.
So there is
And that remains
a
the same.
container. Yes, yes, that's
Like
there is a
we do it
container
in
where, yes, we do it manually in our HCI.
okay.
It's our task, kind of it's our task, not recipe task. Okay, so this was something about our HANA Cloud integration. HANA Cloud integration, it's in Web UI. Again, I've told you Web UI and Eclipse UI. Okay, we will see both in our next class, means the after tomorrow class. Okay. There are some key capabilities of your HCI. Means, let me give some of them, which is bidirectional integration to connect your cloud and enterprise applications. So it's bidirectional, not unidirectional. You can send and receive data, gain the unified view of all business data, and eliminate data entity. That is again possible in your PI. Uh, you have centralized monitoring and management of integration. When I say centralized, this is very evident for HCI because it is accessible from anywhere in the world if you have your internet connection and user ID passwords. Okay. It's just like your Google services, which is accessible anywhere. So centralized monitoring and management of speed implementation using prepackaged content, the total cost of ownership of this software, it is very low. Very means once you for as an example of PL, uh, the cost of ownership is little bit high because you have to first of all for PI, first of all you need to have a very uh, high or very big servers in your premises that can first of all on which you need to install your PI. Okay. once you have installed your PI, you need to upgrade that PI up at a particular time frame where you need to bring down your PI and you need to install those patches. And for this also you need to have a separate team in your company, let's say in your company or your implementation company, partner company, which will be doing this task specifically. And bringing down your PI means your business would be affected. If it's a 24/7 kind of business, then your business would be affected because you would be having a downtime. So the total cost of ownership for PI and PO, it's very high as compared to HCI. It's not that HCI is very cheap, because you must have seen the pricing of the HCI software, and which is very high, 115 euros per month. It's very high for small companies to uh, go for. Okay. So again, in comparison with PI, HCI's total cost for ownership for the software is low. It, it is pay as you go subscription model. So how whichever system you want to integrate, how many database, how much data would be flowing from your HCI, how many interface you would be creating on your HCI. Based out of this only you would be paying to SAP. Okay, you don't need to pay uh, for the full software which you are doing in your PI. Okay, so if you have a PI, you create one interface or thousands of interface. If you are processing one message or bulk of message, the cost is same, but that is not the case in your HCI. It is pay as you go kind of model. Okay. Uh, it would be means you will see that PI as compared to PI, you have more features in HCI, because some features are in your HCI or not present on your PI. Uh, Guys, is it getting late for you, or should we continue from tomorrow? Is it for you guys? Okay, it's 9 o'clock.
Sanat will continue tomorrow. Wait with you.
Okay, sir. Okay. So let's complete this. From tomorrow, we will be understanding the landscape of HCI, architecture of HCI, and day after tomorrow, we will be installing the Eclipse on your local system. And how do we install the plugins of HCI? So any questions till now? Generally, I keep last 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for question at least. Any questions? Anybody?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday,
Yes, sir.
Bharat shared some documents. I mean, I have gone through that one. There is some Eclipse installation. You have shown some screenshots, step-by-step method.
Correct.
In that
Correct.
one, I installed Eclipse Kepler. I mean, it's a Lunar you have shown, but it was installed automatically Kepler, I think.
You're referring to
When
Mars.
yeah. So when I select the perspective in HANA Cloud, so it is asking username, password.
Yeah, so it will require a user ID password for your tenant. We will see in next classes, which you are moving to 2 classes ahead. So let's wait for the session that day. I will be explaining those things. But in general, you need to have the user ID password. In preferences, if you are giving the user ID password, you need to have the user ID passwords for your tenant.
Okay.
Okay. In your case, if you have the access, then you can put. If not, you can keep it as it is, and we will be using. You can create your scenarios from there and there itself without having the user ID password also.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
Anyway, we will see in later classes. Don't
Shankar
worry.
here.
Yep.
Sanat Shankar here. Sanath, in that case,
Yes,
even we
Shankar.
cannot see the metadata of adapters, right? Without user ID password.
Metadata of adapters. Sorry.
Yes. Yeah. See, for example, if you are creating a sender component, and
Uh,
if you are trying to load the adapter, you don't see that adapter because it's not connected to the tenant, right?
no, it's not the case. It's not the case. You can directly just view the metadata. Metadata, if you are creating, then you can view the metadata. If it's for the integration flow which is existing on the tenant, then you won't be able to view those metadata. There is a difference. There is a difference. We will be able to view the metadata for the scenarios which we are creating. So don't worry about that.
No. For example, if you want to load a SOAP adapter or a SFTP adapter, so we cannot load the adapter in the scenario, correct? Because it will ask for a tenant information.
I am not sure your question is how to load an adapter to your Eclipse. It is already available in your Eclipse. You don't need to load it.
Without connecting tenant also we can do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check it. Okay, I don't know.
Okay. You don't need to means installing HCI plugins. I will be showing you after installing HCI plugins. Everything would be available to you, and you will be able to install. You will be able to configure scenarios without having the access of a tenant. Okay.
Okay, got you. Okay, thank you.
And who was means sorry for the not remember the name. Who asked me for the access of that? Who was not able to configure this because your name is not visible on my GoToMeeting.
The adapter question is asked by Shankar. Probably I don't know who is
Shankar.
asking that.
Okay, Shankar. Okay. 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 Anyway. So let's hard stop here. Okay, and then we will continue tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yeah, we are good. Yeah,
Okay.
all right.
Okay, guys. Let's meet
Thank you.
tomorrow
Thank you.
same time.
Thank
Yep.
you. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, Shankar. Okay, Shankar. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.